Hey everyone, so I decided to record a video because so many people have been asking how to use React in ServiceNow. And today I'm going to show you a very simple and truly native way how to deploy your React application to ServiceNow. Well, first, what you need to do, you need to navigate to this GitHub repo. Just clone the repo or download the source code and open the source code in your code editor. That's basically boilerplate. It's a very simple, small boilerplate already pre-configured to be deployed in ServiceNow. First, what you need to do, you would need to install dependencies by npm install. Then you can run it locally, npm run dev. And again, as I mentioned, it's a very simple application. So let's modify it a little bit. Let's put exclamation marks. All right, so we modified the app. Now, we're pretty much ready to deploy the application to ServiceNow, but first you need to compile the application. And you would do that by npm run build. So what that does, that compiles your application in one single HTML file. So copy the code of that file. Let's go back to our ServiceNow instance. In ServiceNow, I already have the original version of the application deployed. You see there are no exclamation marks. So first, what you need to do, you need to create the system property. I already have the property, and let's just replace the value for that property with the compiled HTML code. And let's hit update. And the last thing you need to do, you need to create the scripted REST API endpoint. It would be get endpoint with just a few lines of code, just less than 10 lines of code. And you need to reference your system property here. And that's basically it. So now you can navigate to your React application just by going to this endpoint URI. I have it here, and let's reload the app. Yes, now you can see we have the most recent changes deployed to ServiceNow instance, and that's your application URL. You see, it's hosted natively on ServiceNow. And also you can render and run that application in ServiceNow native UI like this, right? So what you need to do, you just need to create the application menu, create the module, and let me show you that module configuration. So that would be the link type, URL, and here you provide the URI of your get API endpoint. And that's it. So in this way, you can build, you can design and build React applications of different complexity. You can use external libraries, you can use templates, styles, and so on and so on. And then you can deploy that to ServiceNow, and that's basically become your ServiceNow application built with React.